Good morning. It is February the 4th, Wednesday, and these are my trades. So, coming into the market, I was like, I did my pre-market check, and was kind of looking at how the market was reacting to the AMD earnings yesterday, and then there was like the Google earnings at after hours today. So I was trying to see, I was trying to be neutral and just, wanted to see how price action was. So my thesis was if SPY broke above the overnight gap and showed good price action, I could be bullish on it. I was also prepared to be bearish. So when I saw a break of the 5-minute high at 9:39, and then there was like an immediate retest on 9:40, I entered when I saw the confirmation candle at 9:42. I put my stop loss at the bottom of that impulsive candle. But I thought that was a clean break and retest, and I was just waiting for continuation. The trade failed because, the market wanted to be heavy, and I was able to honor my stop without hesitation. So I was okay with this trade. I felt like I followed the rules, even if it was a loss for me. And, but that kind of like gave me an idea that, oh, maybe the market wanted to be, to stay heavy. So, I had like my list, and I decided that if the market wanted to stay heavy, then I would do a Palantir trade. So here I saw that, I was bearish already due to the higher time frame narrative and the market's response to its earnings. And since QQQ and SPY were bearish at that time, I went back and reset and watched price action on the 5-minute low, because it was the pre-market high was like really close to the previous day low. So I said like, oh, this may want to go down. So I saw that the 9:36 candle broke the 5-minute low, and then the 9:38 candle retested. My confirmation was 9:43. I was late, but I entered at 9:44. My plan was to go 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but I kind of got a little nervous and exited when, it touched 147. But then, I saw that I was like listening to that one candle rule, and I remember it saying that, if it is a series of down close candles and there's an up close candle, then you could re-enter at uh eh, like you could re-enter. So I did re-enter at 9:49. This is like the up close candle. This is 9:49. And then I targeted the previous week low. I mean uh that went all the way down to 142. So these contracts were like, I don't know, more than double. But I was okay with it. I felt like I let price come to my key levels. I used alignment with a higher time frame narrative. Um, I was able to wait patiently on a break and retest on Palantir, and I entered after confirmation, even though it was late. I was also able to, kind of like, especially the second one, I was able to manage my risk structurally. Um, yeah, so I was happy with it. I felt like if I, stayed, if I that it would have been an A plus if I had like a better entry here. And if I had more contracts, I could just go let it go all the way to, to the previous week low. So yeah, but I feel like I'm learning. Again, this today, yesterday, this month is not about profit and loss. I'm just really trying to get my edge and trying to be, trying to be closer to my trader identity. So I hope you guys had a good day. I think, the market was a little bit clearer today. And I'm sure you all got like, good entries there. Thank you.